馬場經典錦標啦，一或係咧大膽到咧跑即係對年長馬嗰場，即係嗰場維多利亞賽馬會經典賽啦。不過要查一查嗰場3歲馬俾唔俾跑先，嗰場都要查一查。但係至少咧古摩亞育馬場經典賽咧，佢一定跑得。係啦，嗰場就費明頓嘅1200米直路賽嚟嘅。
好啦，見到現場都準備頒獎啦。
咁啊，繼過往係羅曼勇士喺維省嗰邊贏到1級賽之後，咁啊呢次係到悉尼呢邊啊。
我記憶上，我哋香港馬遠征悉尼係咪第一次成功咧？
澳洲
嚟呢邊都少㗎，嚟悉尼都少㗎嚇。因為由翠河開始係翠河去跑國士盾，
係國士盾啦，係啦。
咁啊講開就翠河都好耐年代啦嚇，咁佢嘅練馬師啊許儀先生亦都就最近離開咗啦，都已經。咁其實就都要即係多謝翻我哋即係呢啲嘅前輩啦嚇，咁啊帶起呢個香港馬遠征嘅潮流啦嚇，咁啊前後都接近30年啦已經係。
The richest race on turf anywhere in the world. It was won today by Kaying Rising, ridden by Zach Curtin. For David Hayes and slot holder, the Hong Kong Jockey Club. TAB is proudly the biggest supporter of Australian racing. With the unique omni-channel entertainment offering across digital, retail and Sky, there has never been more ways to experience this wonderful Sydney Spring Carnival, the TAB Everest Carnival. Enjoy exclusive TAB time and TAB takeover offers this season. And remember that a responsible bet with TAB is a bet for the New South Wales racing industry. I'm pleased to say we are joined on stage by TAB Chief Executive Officer Gillan McLaughlin. From Racing New South Wales, we're joined by Chair Dr. Saran Cook. And from the Australian Turf Club, we're joined by Chair Tim Hale, SC. It's indeed my pleasure now to ask Gillan to step forward and present the trophy to Mr. Leong on behalf of the Winning Connections. And now it's my pleasure to ask Saran to move forward and present the trophy to our winning trainer. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for David Hayes. And Tim, if I might ask you now to present the trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for our winning jockey, Zach Purton.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of TAB, Racing New South Wales and the Australian Turf Club, once again, let's extend congratulations to all the winning connections of Kaying Rising.
好啦，咁就恭喜晒嘉應高升整個團隊啦，騎師潘頓、練馬師大衛希斯、馬主任梁石光先生，恭喜晒3位。咁我話為我哋香港嘅賽區又寫下一個新嘅歷史咯喎！珠穆朗瑪峰錦標，我哋香港馬都贏過㗎嚇，今日開始可以講啦。好嗱，頒獎我哋睇到咁啦，咁大家我相信都等咗好耐，可以回味一次啊！嘉應高升點樣贏今屆嘅珠穆朗瑪峰錦標，我哋即刻睇重播。
隨時開閘，齊齊為嘉應高升打打氣，排住7檔，隨時起步，預備。一起步嘅時候比較快啲嘅登天橋啊，嘉應高升都咬住第2位㗎。入邊馬位嘅方面咧，第1、第3位度啦，見到紅衫紅帽就滿字啊，咁啊守住內欄咧，而家都上翻嚟㗎啦。中間第4位係星彩女兒啦，內欄方面藍色衫就動心。後一格嘅馬位啦，咁啊星彩女兒暫時一個2碟位置度啦，走住個外碟方面咧，咁啊見到就係嗰隻尖尾新星啦，咁啊拍住後邊咧黃黑格仔色衫咧，仲有隻祖麗 為勝㗎。喺後邊內欄方面啦，仲有隻天使之金啦，咁啊祖德堡啦，灰馬位置係白藝星，暫時殿後個匹係最佳一刻嚟㗎。彎位轉到一半嘅階段，前邊帶緊頭咧就結果滿至登天橋呢兩匹㗎。嘉應高升暫時喺個第3位，佔美新星外邊第4，後一格祖麗星啦，入邊位置動心星彩女兒啊。好啦，入到嚟最後直路階段啦，前邊暫時突圍而出就登天橋嚟嘅，嘉應高升開始要俾落去，出邊位置係佔美新星大愛當咗係白藝星啊，最出邊仲有隻最佳一刻，最後100米，嘉應高升暫時透出嚟，入邊登天橋，再出邊就係祖麗星，接近終點100米，嘉應高升贏出珠峰錦標，跑第2名係動心，第3名好近啦。
S1 第2場嘅珠穆朗瑪峰錦標就復榜完。